Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So today in this video we are going to learn how to change your email in Starbucks app. So without further ado, let's get started. So click on the Starbucks app and now just put your password or use your fingerprint. Okay, so once you're in the app, you need to look for an icon like this. Okay, so click on this icon here, and here you will need to find an option to change your email, but you won't be able to find it directly. So it's actually hidden here in the pencil. You might think it's just for your profile picture, but you need to click on it, and there you go. Here you can find an option called email ID. Just click on this pencil icon and put your new email ID here. So I will just put one of these email and click on send verification code, and that's it. You just need to put the code you receive on your email and your email ID will be changed. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video helpful. See you soon. Have a good day.